your sizning, sening yoki sizlarning. Demak, bunga ham gap tuzishimiz kerak bo'ladi. So, your.
This is your school.
Very good. This is
your home.
Home deylik. This is your home. Ana endi keling mana bunaqa deb ko'raylik. Bu sizlarning bo'ldi. To'g'ri tuzdingiz. This is your home. Let's make a sentence like bular sizlarning nima deb bo'lar ekan? Hobbilaringiz.
This is your hobby.
These are because we are talking about
these are your hobby.
Your hobbies. Very good.
Yeah, these
hobbies.
Are your hobbies.
Very good. So let's move on. Okay. Ana endi he erkak kishi uchun, mujizkorot uchun u. His nima bo'lar ekan? Uning bo'lar ekan. His. Okay. His. Let's make a sentence for his.
She has. Okay. She has her dog. She has her back.
She has. Hozir gap his haqida. O'shaning uchun his qilib qo'yaman, xo'p? She has his dog. Unda, demak, у нее есть его собачка degan gap tilkish. Mana shu rus tilida tanqid qiladi. She has his dog. У нее есть его собачка. Perfect. Okay. So, let's move on. Next one, she. Ana. Her, ее, ya'ni uning ayol kishi uchun. Ana endi her ga gap tuzsangiz bo'lar ekan. She has her bag ekan. Ana endi yana bitta gap tuzib yuboring shunga. Her bo'lsin gapingiz.
She's okay. She's her hat. She's her hat. Yeah.
She has got qilmoqchi edingiz. Adashmasam. She has got her hat. Unda bor demoqchimidingiz? She has got her hat. Endi to'g'ri bo'ldi.
She's had her got.
Yeah. Men o'tgan safargi mazmun shuni to'liq yozsam sizga tushunarli bo'ladi mana. She has got her hat. У нее есть ее шляпа. Very good. So, next one. It. Неодушевленный род. It. Qarang, ko'rinishi it's bo'lar ekan. It's. E'tibor bering, vergul yo'q. It's uning. Deylik. Uning dumi uzun demoqchiman. Deylik, kuchugimga nisbatan balki aytdim. Masalan, mana bunaqa desak bo'lar ekan. I have a dog. And uning dumi uzun. Qanaqa bo'ladi? Uning dumi uzun. Ya'ni it's dum nima edi? Do you remember? Tail.
I can. Tail.
No problem. Tail. I have a dog and its tail and endi kesim qo'yasiz. Is long. Or short. Tushundingizmi? Its tail. It's его degani средний мужской, sorry, неодушевленный rodga. It's uning tail dumi, keyin kesim qo'yasiz. Is long. Its tail is long. Yana bitta narsani o'tib ketaylik. Mana shu it isga ravno emas. Tushundingizmi? Mana bu narsa bor-ku, yozdim hozir mana. Tutuq belgisili. Bunga teng emas. Mana bu degani, tutuq belgili it degani, it isni qisqachasi. U boshqa narsa. It is bu degani. It is my dog. Bu mening kuchugim. It is my phone. Bu mening telefonim. It's my home. Bu uyim. Bu teng emas bugungi itga. Tutuq belgili it bu ega kesim bu degani. Tutuq belgisiz kelsa bu Uning degan olmosh bu. Farqini tushunib oldingiz, a? Okay. Boshqa narsaga ketasiz. Hop. Let's move on. We, biz, our, bizning. Okay. So, we. Let's make a sentence for our.
This is our office.
Yeah. This is
our office.
Office. Perfect. This is our office. That's all. Okay. And the last one, they, ular, their, ularning. Their. Their deb o'qiysiz.
Their.
Tayyor gap bor ekan, ko'raylikchi. They love their teacher. Ular ularning ustozini yaxshi ko'radi. Endi sizning gapingizni tuzaylik. Birinchi o'zbekchada tuza olsangiz ham bo'ladi, xohlasangiz rus tilida, keyin osonroq bo'ladi tarjima qilish. Ich demoqchimiz. Ich degan gap tuzish kerak. Ularning.
Ularning. Hozir shuni o'ylayapman-da. Mana qilsangiz-chi, men ularning bog'ini yaxshi ko'raman. I love I love their garden.
Their garden. I love their garden. That's all. Perfect. Okay. Demak, jadvalni yaxshilab aniq qilib oldik, ko'rib oldik. Demak, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Okay. So let's move on. Okay. Which one is appropriate, Sharifake? This is I book or this is my book?
No, this is my book.
My book. Next one. She has her bag. She has she bag.
She has her bag. Uning sumkasi.
Yeah. They love their teacher. They love the teacher.
They love their teacher.
Their teacher. Perfect. There. He has his car. He has he car.
He has his car.
His car. Okay. Next one. Bu sal boshqacharoq. Endi qarang. Sut nima? I have a dog. Menda kuchuk bor. Ikkinchi gapingiz, ya'ni mening kuchugim muloyim demoqchisizda. Такой прикольный, милый. Endi mening degan
My dog is cat.
Cute deb o'qiysiz. Cute.